Hello folks, Brian here. I recently fixed this leaking TOTO WT152M in-wall toilet unit by replacing a part of the fill valve assembly. Today I'll show you that fill valve assembly and hopefully teach you a couple tricks that I learned, and you can save some time when fixing your own TOTO. First, you'll need to identify whether you have the WT151 series or the WT17 series. I couldn't find a label, so I was confused for a while. The 15 and 17 series had different push plates and part numbers. Mine were square, as shown in the spec sheet, so I knew it was a WT15. TOTO customer service confirmed. Also, I found this lowercase letter T-shaped hold-down bracket that seemed unique to the series. Finally, there was a label on the side of the toilet with the capacities that I could cross-reference on the TOTO site to find the manuals. Next, I found the THU-134 fill valve assembly part, which was leaking, and snagged it from Amazon. I marked the plastic part that I replaced with an X, but everything else here is new. It comes with a red clip in a bag to hang it within the wall unit. The leaking part is attached to the assembly with a yellow clip that you can slide up and remove the front part. Inside there's a black gasket that people are having problems with. My problem though was that the plastic cracked, causing a leak. This plastic ring nut that you can tighten by hand is used to secure the red clip hanger, so don't tighten it too much. If you over tighten it, and I've seen it over tightened, it can cause a bigger crack and start leaking. So here were the steps I took to fix my problem. First, I reached in and I turned off the stop valve to stop the water so the water wouldn't burst in my face. Then I also took out the T-shaped hold-down bracket to make some room. There's no need to remove the flush assembly though. So I simply detached the fill valve assembly via the red clip and then used a wrench to take off the hose that connects the fill valve. I slid the yellow clip off, replaced the leaking part, snapped the yellow clip back down, and then I did all the steps in reverse order all the way to turning on the water, and it worked. And that's when I realized it was the plastic part that had broken all along, and it wasn't the gasket that most people have a problem with. So finally, I also bought the Gasket seal kit, which people on Amazon were taking the rubbery gasket and putting it in the TOTO to save money instead of buying the THU-134, which is over $100. I didn't have to use this though because the plastic part was at fault and not the gasket. But here's how I think you might use the Gasket seal kit to fix the TOTO gasket and just replace the black one. Anyway, I never tried this, so I'm not sure if it works, and I hope I don't see you in another TOTO video using this gasket. But for now, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.